Hey, it's Aria here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about how to virtually guarantee success in pretty much anything you do. So there's one thing that it pretty much comes down to, that if you want to be successful as an entrepreneur in business, in affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is you are doing, there is one very important thing that you must have, and it's primarily like a mindset type of thing. And this will pretty much guarantee that you will pretty much have success in pretty much anything you do. Now, that isn't to say that you're gonna start producing results, right away if you join this particular program or this system or something like that. But ultimately, if you go into something with with a very long-term mindset, and you go into something that knowing that results, chances are not going to come right away, but no matter what it takes, you're going to stick at it and you're never going to give up. This is ultimately what's going to guarantee you having long-term results in your business. So the reason why I really want to talk about this is because I know that a lot of people, that are looking to become an entrepreneur, or they're looking to get into affiliate marketing. A lot of people, one of the biggest misconceptions is that it's something where you just find a product, you just drive traffic, and then all of a sudden you're making money. If you drive traffic to an offer that is known to convert, boom, you're making money right away. But that's almost never the case, especially nowadays, because there's just so much competition out there. There's so many people doing the exact same thing, sending traffic to a capture page and just expecting, results right away. But, because people are being bombarded online nowadays with so many offers, especially in the make money online niche, it's very difficult for you to stand out if you're just doing what everyone else is doing. So if you want to have those long-term results, you got to be willing to, think outside of the box in a way. And you also have to have the long-term mindset where, just because you send 50 people to a sales video, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to start making money right away. You got to understand that people generally don't buy on their first exposure to something. So people generally need, multiple exposures of that particular offer, and they need to actually trust you in order to buy whatever product it is that you have to sell or promote to them. So if you're just going out there and you are just spamming your affiliate link, or just sending lots of just random visitors to your sales video, this isn't going to allow you to really make money. I mean, you may get a few sales here and there, once in a while, but generally, if you want to have those long-term results, you got to be willing to have a long-term mindset. This is really what it comes down to. You got to have a long-term mindset with pretty much anything that you decide to do. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you got to have a long-term mindset with that. If you want to do network marketing, if you want to get into CPA marketing, or if you want to do like Amazon FBA, or drop shipping, or Kindle publishing, or whatever it is you're looking to do online, if you're looking to start some sort of online business, you got to understand that, especially with starting a business, it's a very long-term thing. You cannot expect to join a particular program and start producing results right away. So a lot of people, when they are just coming online, they're just looking at all these different training programs out there, all these different mentorship programs, all these systems, business opportunities, marketing systems. A lot of people are looking for that quick and easy, push button system that's going to allow them to start generating results right away. And if they don't generate results in their first week, then they complain, they act as though they are being scammed and all that type of stuff. But generally it really comes down to your mindset. You got to be willing to have a very long-term mindset. If you could have a long-term mindset, this is what's going to allow you to have those long-term results. So long-term mindset equals long-term results. Short-term mindset is a little to no results, pretty much. So that's really the message that I want to put out there. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn how you could build a profitable business online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, CPA, whatever online business you're looking to build, there is a webinar you can check out in the description, and that's going to show you how to pretty much become your own independent marketer. We could pretty much succeed in any niche that you are going into. So be sure to check that out, see what you think, and again, let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and take care.